Now in this step we can calculate the size of water tank. So first of all we can place water tank and above the top. So here you see this is the roof of project. So and this is at level 4. So we can set this level 4, and you see this is a roof. And now we can insert or a water tank. So first of all we can select this mechanical equipment. Then from mechanical equipment select load, because tank is used in mechanical, that's why we import tank from here. We cannot import tank from plumbing fixture. So we will select this mechanical and then select this load family. So now after selecting this we can go into US Imperial, and from US Imperial we can select this mechanical, and here mechanical we can select MEP. And you see here these are air side component, these are general component. So we can select this general component, and in general component the condenser, heat exchanger and heat pump, and this is the option of tank. So we can select this tank. Here you see these are different type of tank. This is mixed tank, mixing tank, this is dish tank, this is horizontal storage tank, this is storage tank vertical, and this is, we can name this water storage tank. So we will just select this tank, and then we can place this tank at the top of roof. So here in this view you can see we place this tank in the top of roof. So here we place this tank. Now now we can select this tank, and then edit from edit families, go to edit family. Here you see this is tank. So this is here you see this one is the present inlet of tank, and this one is outlet of tank. So we will change this, because this tank is at the top of roof. So if we at the rooftop, so if we place inlet at the top, we can place this inlet at the top and apply it, and we can change this inlet into outlet, because we want supply. Generally we use these tank to send water at the top of roof, but in this case we can place this tank for place this tank at the top of roof and then supply water to the whole building. Similarly, then we can load this tank into the project and override the existing version, select this option. So now we place this tank at the top of the roof.